Greetings, my friend. My name is Tom Sputic, and I have an important question for you. How much better would the quality of your life and relationships be if you could slow down, and in some cases even reverse, the symptoms of aging? That's right, imagine being able to do that. I know it sounds far-fetched, but it's not. And I'm going to share with you some proof of how that's happening for thousands of people right now.
And now, eternal youth. Is it in a cage around the corner? News tonight of a breakthrough for some pioneering mice. But we always wonder, what does a fountain of youth for rodents reveal for humans? Here's Sharon Alfonsi reporting.
I feel tremendous.
In the movie Cocoon, it's a swimming pool that turns back the clock for a group of senior citizens. But now researchers have found a way not just to stop, but reverse the aging process. The key is something called a telomere. We all have them. They're the tips or caps of your chromosome, seen here in yellow. This is what it looks like in a young adult. But as you grow older, the telomeres become damaged and frayed, and as they stop working, we start aging, experiencing things like hearing and memory loss.
Recently, we have discovered that the science of human aging is really pretty simple. We age because our cells divide and our telomeres get shorter. What's a telomere? Well, to answer that, let's zoom into a human's 100 trillion cells. Every cell contains a nucleus with genes and chromosomes. If you zoom in further, you see that the chromosomes are made up of DNA molecules that are 100 million bases long, coiled up like a slinky. There are long, repetitive sequences of DNA at the end of each of our chromosomes. These sequences are called telomeres. When a cell divides, the genetic material inside that cell needs to be copied. This is called DNA replication. During this process, enzymes that replicate a strand of DNA are unable to continue replicating all the way to the end, which causes the loss of some DNA. And the ends, if you remember, are where the telomeres are. At birth, we have about 10,000 bases. But as we age and our cells divide again and again, we lose those bases. And at 5,000 bases, we begin to die of old age. As telomeres get shorter, humans begin to experience the general effects of aging. Loss of muscle, failing memory, poor eyesight, lack of energy, and slower recovery after exercise.
Welcome back. Now, if you're like me, you found the information to be pretty exciting. I mean, imagine being able to slow down and in some cases even reverse the symptoms of aging. Imagine the impact that would have on our activities and, more importantly, the relationships that we care about most. Now, that's an exciting prospect, and it's actually happening for thousands and thousands of people because of the amazing work from Dr. Bill Andrews. So what I want to do is this. I want to invite you to gain access to a powerful webinar at no cost to you. Inside that webinar, I'm going to share with you some information from Dr. Andrews, as well as introduce you to John Anderson and explain why his partnership with Dr. Andrews has produced some amazing results. That collaboration is helping transform thousands and thousands of lives. So again, you're going to gain access to that webinar at no cost simply by filling out the form right here on the side of the page. Now here's what it's going to look like once you fill out that form. I'm going to show you exactly what's going to happen when you do. Alright, my friend, I filled out this form here, and just to make this quick, I want to show you exactly what will happen once you hit the Show Me the Video button. So I click on that for you, and immediately you're taken right over to the webinar as promised. Now that I've gone over the process completely, I want to thank you for your time. I want to say I'm honored to be able to share this information with you, and I look forward to your success, health, and happiness. I'll see you on the inside.